I ran into this last week, so fixed it for me. If you're looking to send money through Saxo Bank, follow these simple steps to get it done quickly and easily. Step 1. Log into your account. Start by logging into your Saxo Bank account using your credentials. Make sure you have two-factor authentication ready if you have it enabled. Step 2. Navigate to the transfer section. Once you're logged in, find the transfer or funds transfer section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your money transfers. Step 3. Select the type of transfer. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the airshot.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm the deadline. Step 4. Enter transfer details. Fill in the required details for the transfer, including the amount, recipient information, and any notes. Double-check the recipient's account number to avoid errors. Step 5. Confirm and submit. Review all the details you've entered, then confirm the transfer. You should receive a confirmation message once the transfer is successfully submitted. Sending money can sometimes feel overwhelming, but following these steps will make the process straightforward. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Saxo Bank's customer support for assistance. Happy transferring!